Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change your Cash App passcode or password. So let's get right into it. Now, you do have a couple of different passwords on Cash App. You have your password you use to log into your account, and you have your PIN number, which is used as a security feature to confirm that it is you who is doing your transactions. Now, as you can see, I have this guide by password and opened up simply because I do not have Cash App access in my region at the current moment. So this is the best I can do in regards to giving you guys the appropriate material that you need to figure out how to do this. Now, I'll go over this really quickly. As you can see, there is a couple of steps you need to do. You can change your PIN or password within the app. So just go into your app and click on the profile icon in the top right. Then once you do that, go all the way down until you get to privacy and security. Then once you're there, tap on change cash PIN, and then you'll be able to change your PIN. Now, you will need to enter your current PIN if you know it. If you don't, there is a way to sign in with your email. However, if you don't have the PIN, you will need to use your email. Now, for this, you just need to click use the email address used to sign up, sign in with your email, just enter your email and click next. Then once you enter the code that you receive on your email address, you'll be able to enter the new PIN, and that is pretty much it. Now, to reset your password, what you're going to need to do is go to the Cash App login screen by logging out of your account, select having difficulties logging in, input the email address used for that account, and press next, and just use your phone number to confirm that it is you, and create a new passcode once you are sent the prompt, confirm it, and then save it, and that's pretty much all you need to do. It's as easy as that. Again, I'm sorry I couldn't show you guys myself, but it is what it is. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.